guys, so welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to do a quick little haul slash styling video. I picked up some pieces from Shein, and as you guys know, Black Friday is coming and Shein have their sale. I will also insert my coupon code if you guys want even more savings, even more money off of what they are doing for Black Friday slash Cyber Monday. You guys know I'm a Shein girl because they've supported me from the beginning. I will forever support them. So let's get into it. The first things first is my dress. My dress is from Shein. The top is a cotton ribbed material. The bottom is a blend between cotton and polyester. It has a gorgeous drop waist. If I was a dress, this would be the dress that I would be. This looks amazing on my body. I love the fact that it's actually a maxi dress and not in between a midi and a maxi, because some of the times when I size down in my clothing on Shein, it gives off a weird cut, and I'm not sure if I like the in-between lengths like that. But this is a maxi and I love the drop waist. I got it in a medium. I normally a large, but I got it in a medium and it fits amazing. I could probably got away with a small, but I wanted it to be comfortable. This would be the perfect dress for Thanksgiving also, because you can eat, you can be comfortable, you can be stylish and look cute while doing it. Absolutely love this dress. I think I'm gonna go back and pick up the other colors if they have another color in this dress, because I love this dress. I've been wearing the hell out of this dress. I got this dress last week and I've put this dress on about 3 or 4 times already. That's how much I love this dress. This dress eats. The next dress I got is something a little festive, and this is Shein Curve. I got it in a 1X because I wanted it to be a little bit oversized and I could wear stockings or some pants or whatever, but still be festive, because Christmas and New Year's is coming up and I feel like this is going to be a staple piece in my wardrobe when it comes on to like festive season, and I can use this for a lot of my content, a lot of my video. This is how it looks. It has padding in the shoulders and I love the glitter detail. It gives it a little bit of spunk, a little bit of spice. And even though I'm not a fan, I'm not a fan of my shoulders, it's just something that I'm not in love with. I'm not a fan of my shoulders. I love the fact that this has shoulder pads. I've been definitely getting into juxtaposition and different styling technique and figuring out my personal style, and instead of saying that I hate my shoulders and I don't like how they look, I have been trying to embrace them and wear things that I normally wouldn't wear. So that's things with padding in the shoulder, that's things with different cuts on the shoulder, because it actually enhances or accentuate your shoulders, and I've been definitely enjoying it. So I was very glad when this came with a little bit of padding, because it's going to give it a little bit more structure and make it look a little bit more expensive. This is going to be perfect for Christmas pictures, New Year's, if you have a party to go to, your corporate body, and you want something cute, affordable and nice to wear. This is going to be perfect. I'm probably going to wear it with some sheer pants, some heels and cute jewelry and call it a day. I feel like you can also wear a skirt under this. You can wear pants, you can wear tights, you can wear whatever you want and really make it your own. But because the whole sheer trend is going around and I have a lot of sheer things, I'm going to probably pair it with a sheer tights, a sheer pant and some nice heels. Okay, so the next item I got is this maxi skirt. As you guys can see, I'm definitely in the maxi era. I feel like I'm definitely finding my personal style and what suits me, and I feel like it's either maxi skirts or midi skirts for me. And this is a black maxi skirt. If you guys see my last fashion video or follow me on Instagram, you'll see that I wore the green version to this with a cheetah print top, and I looked absolutely delicious, crumb delicious. Okay, it looks amazing. The outfit 8. Okay, so I got this skirt in the black version. I feel like I could definitely wear this maxi skirt with this and it would look amazing. I can wear this maxi skirt with a lot of things in my wardrobe, and as you guys know, I am a black girly. If you can't already tell, I love black. Black is one of my favorite colors. I find that I'm more into accessorizing with colors now than making my clothes colored. I like a nice clean palette, a nice clean wardrobe that can mix and match. So this is the maxi skirt. I have one in my arsenal already, and I got some more. I got another one. If I like it, I'm gonna buy it in another color. So, and also hubby loved these maxi skirts. I don't know what it is about the maxi skirts. I think it's because of how he was raised, Christianity and all of that. But anyways, I also got this top right here, and this one is from MISSGUIDED. I got it in a large, and like I said, I have been experimenting with stuff that actually accentuate my shoulders. So when I seen this top and seen that it was from MISSGUIDED, because if you guys didn't know, Shein bought MISSGUIDED, so they have a lot of MISSGUIDED pieces on their website. When I saw this, I absolutely love it. I also love the cut. It's giving casual on top, but the cut at the bottom, cut on the bottom is going to snatch your waist in, and I like that a lot, especially if you have a little bit of a pudge. This is going to snatch your waist in perfectly. This can go perfectly with this skirt, with some jeans, like a jeans and white tee moment. This shirt is amazing, and I love the quality. This is like a nice cotton material. The material is amazing. So if you guys didn't know and you want MISSGUIDED pieces, you can definitely get them on Shein. So let's talk about accessories, and the only accessory as far as purse is concerned is this bag. So Coach have a bag that is going viral, and it is in a multitude of colors, and I wanted to see if I should spend my money. As you guys know, I have a Coach tabby bag and I get a lot of cost per wear out of it. So when I seen this bag, I was like, I'm going to get it because it reminds me of the Coach bag, and I'm going to see if I'm going to get my cost per wear out of it, and if I should invest in the more expensive version, if I'm going to love to take it, bring it around with me and all of that. So I got it, and it's also in a oxblood color. Another thing is I have been getting into tote bags. Absolutely love the color of this. It has gold hardware, and it comes with a little purse inside, so I absolutely love it. And oxblood is in. The next thing I got are these shoes, and I got some shoes like this off Amazon. I got the black version, and they were selling it for like $50 something, and I sent it back because I went on Shein and I saw it for a lot less expensive. So I got this cheetah print gold one because I realized that my wardrobe was lacking a flat gold shoes, and I'm trying to put in spaces or fill in spaces in my wardrobe. So if I realize I don't have something in my wardrobe, that's what I'm getting. I'm not getting something that I already have, and this fits the bill because it is a flat and I live in Florida, so this is probably going to be amazing for me to wear all year around. This is probably like my snake print gold flats that I got from them last year spring, and I wore that mess out. Okay, so I love the gold detail, I love the cheetah print, and I love that it's brown. It's a neutral, it's going to go with everything. Last but not least are these shoes. So if you guys don't know, you have probably seen them in my vlog video, you've probably seen them in my fashion videos on here, and you've probably seen them in my fashion content on Instagram. I have a pair of shoes that is similar to this, and it's in a different colorway, and it doesn't have the back straps. I absolutely have worn the hell out of that shoes since summer, since I got it. Okay, all the way into fall. I feel like this is the perfect fall shoes because it's gonna give your toes coverage, it's gonna keep your toes warm while still being fun and stylish. The glitter always gets everybody attention. I don't know how many times I've gotten compliments on my shoes, and I tell people I got it from Shein for $20 and they are shocked. Okay, so I got another pair in another colorway and kind of a different cut. I love the cut detail in here, and I love that it has straps. I will say if you have wider feet, definitely go a full size up. I only went a half a size, and I feel like I needed more room. So this, I normally wear a 9. This is a 9.5, and I have a wide foot. So if you have a wide foot and you wear 9, get a 10, because this is kind of small. I love this. I love the colorway, and it's just a addition to something that I already have and already love. So, and it's perfect for festive season. It's perfect for Thanksgiving. I feel like all these fits except the glitter jacket one is going to be perfect for Thanksgiving. I think that's probably what I'm going to call this haul. But I could wear this black dress with these shoes and this bag and you have a fit, or I can wear this white and black skirt with this and the bag and you have a fit. Or I could go in with this shoes, get me a gold bag or a brown bag and you have a fit. Or I could wear this right here with these shoes and a brown bag and you have a fit for Thanksgiving. Like, everything is interchangeable, everything can work together, and that's what I want for my wardrobe personally. Thank you guys for watching this video, and thank you to Shein for sponsoring today's content. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the another one. Deuces. Happy Black Friday and Cyber Monday shopping.